Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it is a very fearful state. The last 24 hours have been very hectic as Bitcoin fell under 63k and Dogecoin broke the support around 12 cents. Now this has put a lot of panic in the market and the fear can be cut with a knife. If you pay attention to the grid to the fear ratio, you can see the index is pretty much in the dead middle and slowly actually tilting towards the fear side. Now this is the time where all of your patience is going to be tested. I have been in the crypto market for over 6 years and this has happened quite a few times. Usually what happens is when we are in the bull market, there is going to be seasons where you will see the whole market just having a flash crash. But the people who you see right now who are just taking their money and walking away are the people who are going to be crying when the market starts to make the recovery very quickly. We're definitely not in the winter, we're still in the very heat, and you need to be ready when the market makes a recovery. And there's one token which I have actually been paying very close attention to, and the one I'm talking about is SKY. Now this token is in a really interesting state. It's still in a pre-sale, but it is going to be listed very soon. By very soon I mean in just about 10 days, which is the 4th of July, this token will be going public. This is a meme coin, so you do need to be a little cautious, but at the same time this is such a good catch, you will be shocked. First of all, they have raised about 500,000 in the pre-sale, which is a very small amount for what potential this token holds. Keep in mind, if you do want to buy it, it's very simple. You can just go ahead and make your way to their website, decide to put 1 Ethereum, and then it will give you the SKY token. Also, you need to understand that SKY token for the last chance to buy is going to be the last 7 days. If you do decide to purchase it, you can actually go ahead and stake it away. And the return right now is 2,000% per annum. The reason it is so high right now is due to the fact that it's only raised 500,000. As more people are going to be buying into this token, obviously the return is going to be dropping quite a significant amount. At the same time, if you do decide to buy right now, you will be in the contest of $10,000 airdrop that will be happening very soon. Keep in mind, SKY was once most feared feeling in all of crypto. Once he retired from crypto, he found a quiet little fish pond to enjoy the rest of his days fisting for fishes. But now rumors of blockchain war between dogs and cats have forced SKY out of retirement. And luckily for you, the fisherman, you raid his pond while he puts the crypto cats on the top. So it has been seen on some big exchanges already, but you need to understand it has still so much potential. 500k, there's still a 10x potential just in the time it's going to go listed, and that's only 10 days from now. 10x in 10 days would be a good return. 15% is being set to liquidity out of the supply, 15% to staking, 20% to pre-sale, 25% to flux, a significant flux or marketing designed to spread the word about SKY, and the per points will be 25%, which will be pretty much rewarding the community. Now this is the roadmap. They're still in phase 1, but when a phase 2 comes out, they do want to, promote it as much as possible. More and more people are going to be coming in, and SKY will be taking over the Doge market that is happening. Now keep in mind, I know a lot of you guys will have the question, SKY, this token seems amazing, how do I buy it? Well, the simple answer is just make your way to the description, click on the link, it will take you to this website, connect your wallet, select how much. Let's say you want to put 1 or 10 USD, you guys will receive the amount. Right now the price is 1 SKY 0.004, but it's obviously going to be having a significant jump once it goes public. Their Twitter is verified with 2,300 followers, so the following is still very little, so it's still very early into the project. At the same time, 11 hours ago they posted they have 750 views, so their reach is still very good. The Telegram following about 1,300 subscribers, so still very good, and their white paper has no problem. You can actually go through everything that is their pride and what they want to do in the future. I mean, personally, I feel like this token has so much potential. If you do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Simply make your way there and then you guys can do so. If you are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with tokens like this, simply subscribe to the channel, drop a like on if you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you soon.